everyone, welcome to BOXPUT channel. Today we would like to share one hot topic like how to solve the Android TV box and TV stick remote control cannot connect or use. We will discuss the IR remote control, Bluetooth remote control, and 2.4G remote control separately to help you solve the remote control connection or use problem easily. Number one, IR remote control cannot be controlled or used. Firstly, make sure the indicator light of the infrared remote control is lighting up by pressing a button. So when we press a button, the light up, the indicator light is up. If the indicator light is not on, you can try to replace a new battery for this remote control and try again. If the indicator light is on, check the remote control is the original remote control from the device being controlled, and make sure there is no interference from currents and other electronics between the remote control and device. Number two, Bluetooth remote control cannot be connected. First, we can try to search and find the name of the remote control in the Bluetooth list. If not, please check if the Bluetooth is working or not. So you can try to use some other Bluetooth device to test. Once you have confirmed the Bluetooth function is working normally, we can try to restore the remote control to the pending matching status and restart the Bluetooth and reconnecting and try again. If there is the name of the remote control in the Bluetooth list, but you still cannot connect this remote control to the Bluetooth of the device, you can just delete the remote control information on the Bluetooth of the device and restore the remote control to the pending matching status and reboot the Bluetooth and connect, try again. Number three, 2.4G remote control cannot be connected. Firstly, check the indicate light of the remote control is on or not. If the remote control indicator light keeps blinking, it means the remote control is not connected. So you can just unplug the USB receiver and follow the 2.4G connection steps to reconnect. If you tried this but the problem still have, you can just try to use the USB receiver to another USB host of the TV boxes or TV stick. After you try that but still have the same problem, you can it may be the problem of the USB receiver, so you can try to contact your sellers for after sales. If the indicator light is not blinking, but you still cannot use the 2.4G remote control, you have to retry connecting the 2.4G. So you can restore the remote control to the pending matching status and reconnect again. After you try this but still not work, It may be an incompatibility of the device to this 2.4G remote control. The above are the solutions of the Android TV box and TV sticks remote control cannot be connected or used. If you have any other questions or problems, please feel free to contact us directly or leave me a comment. We are happy to answer your questions. Thanks for watching. See you next time.